Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. Yes, a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Thank you to my CAs who got this item for me and got it shipped to the store and sent it to me overnight, so I did not have to leave the house to get it. They also put this really lovely card in it. Louis Vuitton card. Let me see what it says. Thank you for your order. Sending you all the hugs possible. Hoping you and yours are safe. XOXO with her name and the Bloomies team. So yes, I get my Louis Vuitton where I can get it, and I prefer to get it through Bloomingdale's. So they actually sent me 2 boxes. I only ordered 1 item. And then this was also in there. So I'm pretty sure this is fragrance samples. And today I'm trying on one of my Bloomingdale's blouses that I got. 75% off. It is just so cool and summery, and it feels really good. So I took some shots. I'll be posting them on Instagram just so you could see, because I think it's cute and I'm feeling a little cute today. So let's open the smaller box. My partner is here. She is wearing her Louis Vuitton couture that I get made for her in the Ukraine. It's made by hand, and it is such a cute dress, so I will have to show it to you. I can't read this one. So there are 3 fragrance samples in here. 2 of them are California Dream, and the 3rd one begins with an A, and I can't even begin to pronounce it without butchering it. It begins with an A, and then there's a second word that begins with an R. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put that into my computer and see what the pronunciation is. But I am down for smelling some new scents, so I'm glad they put that in there. I appreciate that. Thank you. Here's Sabby in her dress that matches her collar, and it's a little skirt. Like I said, they're handmade from a lady in the Ukraine, and she makes fabulous dog clothes, even leather and denim outfits. There's a leather outfit that I want to get her, but yeah, so I've been buying from her since I got the dog. So yeah, that was just a little style segment from the dog too. She wanted to be in here for this. Seriously, when she sees me prepping for videos, here she comes. She like gets excited. So yeah, it's mother doggy time. All right, so here's my purchase, and I had this on my wish list for a few months, and I was waiting for the Bloomingdale's Louis Vuitton to be able to do the purchase, because you know, when everything was down, they weren't allowed to do the purchase. And this follows a theme of what I'm in love with lately, if that gives you any kind of a hint. This is what I wanted. It's a mini wallet in the lock style. See that? Yes. Oh my God, I'm in love with the lock. And I've been wanting just a small wallet. Something for a few cards, for some bills. And that wouldn't take up too much room in my bags. Oh my God. And there's even a little coin purse on there. So yes. Oh, it's so dainty, but oh, that's the little coin purse on the side. There's what it looks like when it's open. 4 options for cards in there. And then this is the bill section. This is perfect. This is actually better than I thought it was going to be. And I love this color. This will complement the trim on my other tote that's a lock bag. So yeah, I am super into locks. I think this is my 5th piece. I have shoes, a bag, the wallet, and jewelry with this. So this is my jam. And look at that leather. Yes, told you this was the year for leather for me. So yeah, here it is. It's like this. So yeah, I was eyeing it, looking at it on the site, There were a couple I was looking at, but the mini wallets I was really excited about because I'm like, yay, something a little bigger than a card holder, way smaller than a wallet. I've tried the coin purses before. They didn't work for me. This will work for me. This is so cute. Yeah. So I have been patiently waiting for this, and they got it to me rather fast. And the best part is I didn't pay full price. So yeah, that's what I was waiting for. So that was my unboxing for today. I'm going to go smell these scents and see if I'm going to be making another purchase, because I am excited for something new for the summer. I'm Team Matière Noir forever. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I know it was super quick, but this was a nice package to get, especially with the card and the samples in there. So I thought that was really sweet and really caring. I like CAs that appreciate your business and let you know that they do. So if you're a CA and you're watching this, if that's what you do, keep it up because we really appreciate it. I hope you guys are getting to work down your wish list as well. And I'm noticing a lot of unboxings out there, so yay us. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.